Today, we're going to do something proper different. This is 1,000 horsepower per tonne. Normally, us at ADDICTS are used to driving something with a bit of safety around us. Not today. We're going to be on the water, and we're using this tuned by HP tuners to find out exactly how fast it is.
This video is proudly sponsored by HP Tuners, the industry leaders in ECU calibration. They make all the hardware and software you need to tune your vehicle. Head to their website now, or if you'd rather have a professional do it, check out their dealer map. They make the tools, you make the power.
You swap them for a cow?
Breakfast of champions, that is.
Right.
So we are here with something that's absolutely not what we normally do. We're here with Jack and Andy, isn't it? This is, you both, where do I start? Because this is not something we normally do. But you guys run the tuning company for these, or would you want to tell us a bit about yourselves?
Yeah, so my name's Jack. I own Hayling Jetsport Performance, doing servicing, remaps, modifications and tuning on skis. Obviously the tuning going through HP Tuners, working closely with Sub 3 Racing as well. Me and Andy met a year or so ago, and then we combined and we've made ADDICTS Racing.
Ah, right. So Andy, you run a tuning shop as well? Or?
So I'm Sub 3 Racing. Basically do the same as Jack. I'm based down in Poole in Dorset. Jack's Hayling Island. We got talking and then we started doing a few bits together, and sort of we wanted a racing team, and trying to put the two logos together wasn't working, so we came up with the ADDICTS.
So this is a new venture for you guys?
Yeah, it's brand new, basically. It's literally
Today.
Oh, it's actually today, is it? This is the opener. Oh, wicked. Just looking at this now, right, it looks a bit menacing as it is, but how does this differ from like a factory? You said the factory one earlier, and I think was about 170 horsepower?
So there are different models. The non-supercharged version is 170. The stock version of this is 300. When we tune them up, we can go anything up to 430.
Now, what have you had to do to get that sort of power?
Yeah, so we fitted a racing camshaft, one of our ADDICTS racing cams.
All right, breaking number, like it, yeah.
Yeah, one of our air filter kits, retainers, catch can, girdle kits. We've had to fit a highly pitched prop to pull the power because we were finding it was revving too high.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, we've upped the prop pitch and we're getting 0 to 60 in probably about 2.4, 2.5 seconds, and hitting about 84, 85 mile an hour.
Yeah, which on water is like
very fast,
very different to do it on land.
We can probably get a little bit more out of it. We've got a bit more work to do to it.
One of the facts that you told me when we started looking at it, it was about 1,000 horsepower per tonne. So they're 350 horsepower, give or take, and 350 kilos. And they're quite manoeuvrable. I mean, we're going to head out onto this lake here. It strikes me that doing 85 miles an hour potentially, are we going to get to 85 here? The acceleration is like, if they're doing 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds.
You probably won't get to 85. You will definitely feel the acceleration. I just think with it's quite a short course, so you need more of a longer straight to hit the top speeds.
Yeah.
But you're going to hit mid-70s very quickly.
How much does it cost to buy a factory one, and how much would you have to spend on one to get it to 350 horsepower? Give or take.
Give or take.
Brand new,
25 grand for the ski.
Right.
To a stage one, you're probably looking at around £5 grand mark.
Oh, okay.
I'd say 5 to 6 grand.
5 to 6 grand.
And at time we put bigger injectors in and things like that.
Yeah, that's quite a lot of work though for a stage one. That's the stage one in cars is normally a tune and an air filter and an exhaust. But
yeah,
of course,
stage one plus.
Stage 1 plus. We put it as a stage 1 plus. But the thing is, when we're increasing the rev limit, we fit titanium valve retainers.
Yeah, yeah.
So we actually go into the engine, and
right.
we're doing that. There's obviously, you've got the parts prices and then you've got the load prices. And things seem to be a bit more expensive because it's marine.
It's marine stuff. Yeah, they do say that, don't they?
It bumps the price up.
But people can come to you to order stuff and to have the stuff fitted.
Have it custom tuned. That's all we do is custom tuned.
And on HP Tuner software.
HP Tuner software.
Nice. Okay. Well, I think we're going to go out in the factory one first, and then I say it's on. We're going to go out on the factory one first. See how fast that is, because I've got a feeling it's going to be quite quick, and then I think we're going to have a go on this. So you can give us a few pointers as we go forwards, and we'll just try and survive. So there you go.
Brilliant.
It was at this point where I was asked to get into a really crap boat to go out onto the lake and get some content.
Right. How happy is Stu about this, do you reckon?
Watch the poo.
Yeah, watch the poos.
If that's a sign of today, come on, Stu. Oh, look at him.
Look, so graceful.
He's sea
Professional
legs.
seaman, isn't I?
Where are you going to go? You're still tied on?
Yeah, you're going to have to untie me when I... No, not yet. And this is coming. And this is coming. That's better.
I'm pulling you in. Owen, what's going on?
Touch this.
It's damp.
It's cold and damp. And I'm about to get naked and get in it, so film all you want. That was cracking fun. I think I've got the hang of it, but he's going to give me the key. It doesn't actually look like a key, but the sort of key to something with another 100 and something horsepower. So, tentatively, I'm going to have a go on that.
What are you doing?
What does it look like?
You'll be busting out of that. Go on, get a good gob on that. Oh, that's not going in. Whilst Owen gets prepared and sent out on the super fast one, I get shoved onto a dinghy with Stu to get pushed out into the lake to do some more filming. And I was thrilled by this. This is boat vlog. Boat vlog?
Wet vlog.
No, that's alright, we're out. No, we're not. No, we're not. Because, Stuart,
I'm getting out.
we've just been done here. Whoa, whoa! No, we just got a lot of water in here because they just soaked us. They're coming back for more.
How do you get in reverse?
It's going there. It's going. No, don't do that! You What's do that for? No, because we will go down.
I thought reverse was a good thing.
Not reverse the first, you bellend. Oh my god, there's a massive spider on your back.
Well, get it off then.
No, I don't want to touch it.
Nick, just get it off.
Hang on. How did that get there? There's
Just
two of them.
get it
I'm
off
getting
then.
it. I'm getting it. He's not right. I've got it. Right. What do I do with it now?
Well, f***ing size of it.
I know.
Get rid of it.
Oh, it's the second one
We'll
now.
get the other one now.
Oh, he didn't like that. He put his claw up to get me
Right,
away.
we'll get it out of the way then.
Oh, this one looks dangerous.
Right, get it off then, Nick. Oh, send him. Send him.
Oh, send him. Are you happy now?
No.
I saved you from spiders. I could have said
Well,
nothing.
What do you f***ing
I
do?
could have said nothing and you got bitten.
Shit's moving.
We then lined up the standard jet ski versus the fast jet ski. Let's see the difference.
What do you think of that?
Well, the other one's fast.
Yeah.
Owen was like, he had time to f***ing wave the
So that was what it's like to go 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds on water. That was friggin' amazing. I thought the standard one was fast, but I've only ridden one once before. Shout out to Hayling Jetsport for their support here, and also Hydro X. Those guys, I mean, this is pride and joy lending me that just even for 5 minutes. I was knackered. I would drive it again like in a heartbeat, but I needed 5 minutes out. I'm hyped from it, and I really want to have another go. So it's a bit unusual compared to what we normally do, isn't it, Nick? But yeah, if you like what you saw today, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell where you can. You're probably not going to see anything like this just for the meantime. That, ladies and gents, is your lot. I'm going to get dry.